Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your Android phone into a second screen for your PC. So as an example, in this video I'm going to use Space Disk. So you can go in your browser and simply just type spacedisk.net and hit the enter button. As you do so, this will take you to their website. So you'll basically have to go and download this into your Android as well. So I'm just going to type here Windows, and on my phone, I'm just going to show you right here. I'm just going to basically the Play Store. The screen is frozen. Let me just go and establish a connection again. So all I need to do is just establish the connection again. So I'm just going right here, start now, and here we are. So I'm just going to the Play Store, and we'll have to look for the Space Disk again. So Space Disk. Of course, the icon should be the same. So let me just go here and download like this one. And yeah, click on save. In the meantime here, I can just go back. One thing, I'll just click on Android and I want to see the icon if it's the same that I have right here. So yeah, because it's on Play Store. And yeah, it seems like the same icon that you have. So I'm just going to click on install. At the same time, I'm just going to run this. So click on next, accept, next, next. Add an exception to Windows Firewall for yeah, sure. Click on install, click on yes, and it should be installed without any problem. So let me just wait for it. And for my phone, it is already installed. I can just go and click on the application on my phone. Go and grab it here. So I don't need this anymore. Click on that option. And here we are. I can just go and click on finish right here. And now what I'll have to do is simply go and open the application. So wait, I didn't find it. Probably it's opened already on the tray. Yeah, here we are. So let me just go and close the things that I don't need. And here we are. We have the Space Disk Driver console. So now what you'll have to ensure is you'll have to ensure that your PC and your Android phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi. And this is required for a wireless screen sharing to work. So now you can go and open Space Disk on both devices as I am doing right now. So as you can see, it's opened in both options. So it will basically automatically detect your PC. So you can just go and tap on your PC name to connect. So once you tap on the PC name, as you can see, now I'll be able to have kinda a third screen on my phone because I already like have two. Now this is for me the third like screen. So here it's basically doesn't matter. Or wait, like this option is connected to Let's View. Let me just go and remove Let's View because I don't want it to be connected to Let's View. And yeah, here we are. We're still connected, by the way, in my phone. Like, let me show you. Like, here we are. I'm just going to click right here. And as you can see, I'm just going to remove everything. And what I'll do right here is simply click on the browser, as you can see on my phone. And this is like a third screen for me. So I can go and grab things there. So I do have like a three dots in there. Maybe I should have kept Let's View to show you like what I can control. So let me just go and open Let's View again. And I'll try to establish the connection from the beginning. So I'm just going to disconnect and I am going to connect it again. I'm just going to connect again and using Let's View so you'll be able to see what I am doing. So Let's View connects. Okay, it seems it didn't connect, but it's fine. I'll just go and close this at the moment. And basically now we have a third screen. So I do have two screens at my disposal. And my third screen is my phone at the moment. So I can place things inside it. And if I'm moving my mouse at the moment, and I'm just going to click on display settings. And let me just show you or try to show you like. So I just selected this option so I can like use it correctly. So as you can see, I have one screen, two screen, and three screens. If I go and remove, like example, I do have this connection. If I go remove this connection as example, I'll be able to basically, so let me just go and hit Windows P again and do extend again. And as you can see, I still have three screens. But if I remove now, so let me just go show you. If I remove or disconnects my phone, I'll have only two screens. So I do have now three screens, but if I click on disconnect, okay, as you can see, the screen will refresh and I have only two screens at the moment. So that's how you basically create or use as a second or even as a third, as a fourth screen, or basically that's how you basically connect it. Or that's how you turn your Android phone into a second or third screen for your PC. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.